What's good everyone, this is me Aditya once again with another reaction video for you all, and yes, today I am going to be reacting to this video. I'm really sorry if I mispronounce anything. So the title is something like Nong Kong Te Kong Now So Kit Now Minze Feet MR Zero official music video. So I have no idea what it is going to be like, and let us check this video. And I want to tell you guys, we have got English subtitles. Thank you so much from the owner to the owner. Okay, play. Actually, it's quite a long video. It's like 8 minutes and 56 seconds, which is almost 9 minutes. Okay, it looks very old school though. Looks from like old days. Okay, I think it's from old school Vietnam. Okay, she's looking sad. Uh, 1934. It was like from here. It was written 1934, so I think it's from that time only. Okay. It looks like a morning view. Okay, now it's modern. Wedding was in traditional Vietnamese style, and now they are living like a normal couple, like a modern normal couple, I think. Okay. Oh, they had a baby. This was cute. They became straight. Oh. So far it looks like a very happy, oh, a family photo. Their family has grown up. So far it looks like a happy family. Ole, look this boy. How decent he is looking. Oh. Okay, I've seen this thing in Asian families. We do click pictures like this. I don't know why. Do we like to? Is it a palace or something? Because I saw some guards outside. And a letter. What happened? Something mysterious. Something unhappy. Hurry. What happened to her? Oh my god, suddenly things have changed very quickly, that too very quickly. What could be her? Okay, they are going somewhere? Are they? Or is it just him who's going? Is he in army? So he got a duty call and now he has to go? Or is it something like that? I think, yes, I think he's in army, but he doesn't look like an army personnel. He doesn't look like an army personnel, to be very honest. Don't you cry? Oh, now mother is only looking after her kids. Okay, it's raining. Okay. Now another letter. What is happening? Letter by letter and letter again. Don't you say that his husband died or anything like that happened? Leo. Another. Once more she is feeling dizzy. Because most of the time what happens is if you're I can't find words. If your husband is in army, so he भगवान ना करे, may God give everyone long life, but it happens like people die, and I think she is also like this is what happened to her, and I have no idea. Okay, children are gonna have their meals. Isn't this table a bit tiny? A bit. It's too tiny for a dining table. Okay. Letter. What is this about? I cannot understand. She's hiding that the fact that his husband has died. Is it? Oh. Such a tragic turn this story has taken. Oh, train. Oh, that was pretty fast. Oh, it reminds me of Hogwarts and Disney. 51 on Beta. No, he is alive. Wait a second. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. That photo was actually an evidence of her husband cheating on her. Is it? Because I can see him alive, and he is some sort of like someone on a. What is happening? I just don't understand what is happening. No. Yes. No. Okay, it's her who was sending mess. I am getting confused, girl. He didn't die, but he was cheating on her, was he? And she was sending those letters and pictures to her in order to expose him. Why are you just crying? Go talk to her. She should go and talk to her, no? Why can't it? It lasts forever. I don't know. Okay, now she is writing something which I won't be able to understand, obviously. Okay, now Hong Kong 1946. After a few years. Oh, her writing is so beautiful though. Is that it? Okay, so she was crying. Yeah, in the beginning she was crying here. Yes, I do remember this. Okay, is that it? Samplaga? Okay. Now, first of all, tell me, if you guys can tell me in the comment section what happened to this girl. I felt her husband died because he was in war or something, but it was not the case. He was cheating on her. I think still I am not sure about this. He was cheating on her, and that girl who was pregnant was writing letters to her. To his wife. So is it? And then his wife wrote something to that lady, and I'm still confused. If you guys can clear my confusion, that would be so great. So I like this video, but I'm confused, to be very honest. So if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment below, and see you soon with another reaction video. Bye bye.